In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how to print an oversized Excel sheet to an A4 size paper perfectly. Let's start. I have already created an Excel sheet. Here it is the Excel file I have created. It is the Excel data. I want to print this Excel sheet to an A4 size paper. So I want to print from here to here to an A4 size paper. Let's check it. Go to menu, then select print, then choose selection, then click on the preview. It is the data and it comes preview page 104. It has total 4. That means it is not fitted to an A4 size paper. That means that Excel sheet is oversized than the A4 size paper. So I will adjust. So let's click on the show margin, then set the margin, just reduce. Still it is oversized. So go to page setup and under the page tab and adjust to scaling, just reduce it as your requirement. I will give it 85%. Now let's check the preview page 101. That means it has only one page. It is the A4 size paper. Let's check it. Here is the mode is landscape and paper size is A4. So it is the A4 size paper. So you can print in it directly to the printer. So this is the end of this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.